What's going on, guys? Steve Laret here with the Steve Laret Real Estate Team at Vanguard Realty Alliance. I'm here to talk to you today about how not to bleed to death in this market if you've overpriced your listing. So overpricing is a common mistake. Every seller wants to believe, they've heard, oh, it's a crazy seller's market. And so they want to believe that if they just throw their house out there at some ridiculous price, it's going to sell. Here's what we know. If your home is not selling in under 10 days, right? If you're out there for more than 10 days, you missed the market, you overpriced it. So if your home doesn't sell within the first 10 days on the market in this current seller's market, it's because you are more than 3% off of or above the actual value of the property to the market. And so what does that mean? Well, how can we intelligently navigate that water if in fact our home hasn't sold within 10 days? Most realtors wait 30 days and then they come to you and they go, I'd like an arbitrary, obligatory $10,000 price reduction, please. That does absolutely, there's no strategic value to reducing the price $10,000 unless that $10,000 is more than 4% of the list price. Because if you were within 3% of the list price, you'd already be seeing those offers. So the way that you take leverage back from the market is you have to have a price reduction significant enough to get underneath, just slightly underneath the value of the property. And now, boom, you create a frenzy. You create that leverage within the market where everybody understands that you are now below market value and they feel that frenzy, that fervor, and they rush through and now you have a bidding war. I had folks not too long ago that I told them, price your house at $325. It took them a little while longer to get ready to go to the market. And in that short amount of time, the comps had improved. So I said, hey, let's go on at $350. They chose to listen. They said, okay, great. $350 came and we hit the market and we had about 24 showings and no offers. So what do I know? I went to them within 5 days and I said, hey guys, we have to drop the price to $325. And here's why, here's all of the data, and here's what I know the data is telling me. Are you going to listen? They said, absolutely. So we dropped the price to $325. And 2 days after we dropped the price to $325, we sold it for $347. Every other realtor under the sun would have left them on the market at the wrong price for fear of having that conversation for at least 30 days and wait for the market to deliver the bad news. If you understand the price, you can manipulate the market to get the best result. I went to them within 5 days, said, drop to $325. We did that and then sold it for $347 in a bidding war. But you have to have someone who can intrinsically interpret the market and do it on the fly with the data that's coming in. So if you need that person or want advice from that person, look me up. Love to hear from you. And as always, if you guys are enjoying this content, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Steve Laret Realtor. Cheers.